Well, howdy, howdy, howdy. Nearly Senior Citizen here. Greetings, boys and girls, and welcome to this. Another Walkies through a construction zone. They've done a lot of work on this area. And since it's Saturday, 4:30-ish approximately, I wanted to drag myself up here so you could all see the latest changes that have been made. It's all very cool, I think. There's a lot of wind, my apologies, a lot of traffic. Within chaos and destruction, there are the seeds of order and creation. It's looking rather nice in many places. This is probably going to be a bus stop since there's a little indent here. And that part of the decorative sidewalk, what I assume is going to be decorative, seems to taper away and then taper back. Well, no, it doesn't taper back over there. But this is all closed. This one section of road is looking nice, I think. Aside from, like I say, what I think is going to be decorative sections of sidewalking. You know, maybe some trees. Tiny trees or who knows, but they're gonna obviously do something. They had to keep that open, I suppose. Big vehicle. Now this next section of the road is, you can see the difference here in height, but this section over here, the road is open. Dips in, must be another. Well, maybe just places for people to park. Maybe they have added some parking here, which would be good. Just that they have, there's not much. I mean, none at all through here. This looks like it would be all decorative. Same over on the other side. I mean, that's fine if they don't want people to park anywhere. Life is life. But the road has got blacktopping on it, and I don't know if it's at its height yet, or if they're going to put more down. If they're just letting things settle, and then they're going to put more down, because we'll go over it now. We'll take a look and I'll show you why. I'm wondering. And way up there, give it time to, where is it? There. See all that dirt roading? Yeah, we're headed there. Way up there. Because you can see there's a gap of several inches over there. And let me tell you, I would hate to be wheelchair bound. And I understand that people who are in wheelchairs and such, I mean, look at this. That is a heck of a gap. I'd hate to have to go over that in a wheelchair. But yes, I understand wheelchair bound is not really a good term. Because for people who don't need wheelchairs, we kind of look at wheelchairs as, oh, you're wheelchair bound, you're trapped in a wheelchair. But you got to remember, for these people, they're not trapped in a wheelchair. That wheelchair gives them life and mobility. They aren't trapped. That wheelchair is basically their legs. So when you make it difficult for that wheelchair to move around, you're making it difficult for life altogether. They aren't trapped. They aren't bound. That wheelchair, that vehicle that gives them mobility, that is their lifeline. They are not bound or trapped to it. They are given mobility and life through it. I didn't mean to get on a wheelchair. Didn't mean to get on a... It's gonna drain. Huh. Okay. Must be for decorative dirt or some such through here. But I didn't mean to get up on a soapbox there. See, this used to be parking and such. I guess they're just going to make it grass. But then it says parking still, but how could you make it parking? There's a sidewalk. So I don't know what they're gonna do with all this. Still, and of course, they've got a lot of work to do on a lot of these roads still. But we're coming up on the closed part of the road down here, way down there. It's been a time since I've been down to this section of the road. I wish they'd take this stuff off. But then, isn't it supposed to be a different color, like yellow? So I don't know what's going on. I know the dots and bumps mean something, but I don't know what. I'm not visually impaired or such that I need to use those sorts of things, and so so I don't know what all the various parts and pieces and such and what they mean. Boy, I hope they fix this up if someone wants to use that driveway again. Driveway? Garage. Yeah, look how tore up this is over here still. Sheets of plastic and all sorts of junk. Kind of a mess here. Yeah. It's not a hard or tough thing to get around. It's just I just wanted to show you what it was like for my feet. Okay, here we are. We're coming up on the really bad tore up parts. Almost sounds like a children's novel. Here we come on the really bad tore up parts. That would be the title. The really bad tore up parts. What would it be about? I don't know. Probably about parts that are tore up real bad, I imagine. Yeah, I think this is a private residence. A nice stream running through there, isn't it? Yeah. I was talking to my therapist about my fears and such of being homeless, because I'm really close to being homeless every single month. And he said I should ask the Veterans Administration what their definition of homeless is, because technically, if you're renting a place, you are homeless. You don't have a home. You have a place to sleep and all that, but you don't have an actual home. You don't own it. It's not yours. Boy, oh boy, oh boy, look how tore up this is. So, I doubt anything like that would occur, that I'd be able to get any goodies that way. But it is worthwhile asking. I want to get up to that, but I don't. I'm going to have to walk around. It's loud up here, I wonder why. Ouch. Hope he smokes. No wonder it's got those over it. Oh wow. I don't know what that is, but it's big and loud. Huh. Interesting. I mean, literally. It is a loud thing, but past that, I don't know what that is. Weird. That's really loud down in there. How bizarre. Oh wow, this is... I didn't realize there was still so much stuff to tear up, but there ain't much left of the road either. Looks like they've buried the plates and stuff for all of this section now. This is what they're burying. I guess it's to protect the pipes. They've done a lot of these through there. I only got to see partially one of them done, not the whole thing. It was halfway buried. It's in one of my Walkies vlogs of the construction, so if you want to go back and see, it's there. Yeah, I don't know how they're going to make this into a roundabout. I gotta be careful, I'm gonna fall and break my neck. I mean, there's this right there. You kinda can't put that in the middle of a roundabout, can you? I mean, they've done a good job of taking, there used to be a huge triangle here of raised stuff. Quite a mess. Very cool though. I mean, again, it's a urban destruction and sort of thing that I think is so cool. Not so much the fact that it is destroyed, but if it is going to be destroyed, you might as well take a look at it. And then it goes all the way up to there. That's a heck of a way. I'm going to have to walk up there one day. Not today, though. Not today. Still, thank you very much for coming along with me on this journey of exploration. It is very cool, greatly appreciated. I hope you enjoy watching these things as much as I enjoy making them. It is a very good thing. I gotta be very careful. This is still like no way, shape, or form a level area here. Let's see if I can get sideways so you can see. It is quite tore up. It's very cool. But again, thank you very, very much. So you take care. Have a great day today. I will be seeing you all on the flip side. And I'm just going to wrap this one up. My battery's almost dead. So take care. Have a very good day.